Imagine your paycheck stops today. There is no warning. There is no safety net. There is no backup plan waiting quietly. Your rent is due soon. Your utility bills are already pending. Your phone notifications keep reminding you about payments. Your credit cards are close to their limits. Your savings account looks smaller than you expected. You refresh your banking app hoping numbers change. Nothing changes. Your heart rate increases. Your breathing becomes shallow. You begin counting days instead of dollars. This situation is not rare in America. This situation is common. Millions of people experience this fear regularly. Most Americans live paycheck to paycheck. This happens across income levels. This happens to people earning minimum wage. This also happens to people earning six figures. The problem is not always income. The problem is understanding money. Most people were never taught how money works. Schools teach math but not budgeting. Schools teach history but not credit scores. Schools prepare students for jobs but not for financial life. People enter adulthood unprepared. They learn money lessons through mistakes. These mistakes are costly. These mistakes create stress. These mistakes steal time. Money begins controlling their life instead of supporting it. This is where the ultimate financial challenge begins. This challenge is not about luxury. This challenge is not about fame. This challenge is not about quick riches. This challenge is about survival. This challenge is about stability. This challenge is about control. Money touches every part of life. Money decides where you live. Money decides what you eat. Money decides how safe you feel. Money decides how well you sleep at night. Financial stress damages mental health. Financial stress damages relationships. Financial stress creates anxiety and depression. Money problems follow people everywhere. They follow people to work. They follow people home. They follow people to bed. Yet society rarely talks honestly about money. America promotes consumption. Advertising is everywhere. Social media shows perfect lifestyles. People compare constantly. Comparison creates pressure. Pressure leads to spending. Spending feels good temporarily. Spending creates regret later. Buy now, pay later systems make spending easy. Credit cards remove the pain of payment. Monthly payments hide true costs. Loans make expensive choices feel affordable. Cars are sold by payment, not by price. Houses are sold by approval, not by affordability. Debt becomes normalized. Owing money feels normal. Many people believe debt equals progress. In reality, debt limits freedom. Debt locks future income. Debt forces people into jobs they hate. Debt reduces choices. Every dollar owed represents future labor. You work today for yesterday. Paycheck to paycheck living becomes routine. People celebrate payday and fear bills. They feel relief briefly. That relief fades quickly. Many people believe earning more money will solve everything. They chase raises. They chase promotions. They chase side hustles. Increased income often increases spending. Bigger houses replace smaller ones. Better cars replace paid-off ones. Lifestyle inflation traps people silently. More money does not fix poor habits. More money exposes them. Discipline matters more than income. Discipline means planning. Discipline means restraint. Discipline means saying no. Comfort works against wealth. Convenience is expensive. Eating out daily adds up quietly. Coffee purchases feel small but repeat daily. Streaming subscriptions multiply unnoticed. Impulse purchases feel justified emotionally. Over time, savings disappear. Money rarely vanishes suddenly. Money leaks slowly. Awareness stops the leak. Tracking spending creates awareness. Awareness creates control. Control reduces fear. Emergency funds are essential. Emergencies are inevitable. Cars break. Health issues arise. Jobs disappear unexpectedly. Without savings, emergencies become crises. Debt fills the gap. Debt increases stress. Stress reduces clarity. This creates a cycle. Emergency funds break the cycle. Emergency funds create security. Emergency funds create calm. Emergency funds create power. Debt itself is a tool. Misused debt is dangerous. Emotional debt decisions destroy futures. Buying status costs freedom. Buying approval costs peace. Strategic debt can build assets. Most people never learn strategy. Most debt is emotional. Emotional decisions are expensive. Financial change starts internally. Behavior changes before numbers change. Mindset shapes outcomes. Wealth starts in the mind. Wealth requires patience. Wealth requires consistency. Financially strong people think long-term. They delay gratification intentionally. They plan years ahead. They value ownership over appearance. They choose assets over liabilities. They see money as a tool. Money is not identity. Money is not self-worth. Saving creates protection. Saving reduces fear. Investing builds growth. Investing is not gambling when done with knowledge. Investing represents ownership. Ownership grows with time. Time rewards patience. Compound growth works quietly. Consistency beats intensity. Small investments repeated for decades outperform large short-term efforts. Starting early matters. Time is the greatest advantage. Financial success is boring. It involves planning. It involves routines. It involves discipline. Automation removes emotion. Boring systems create freedom. There is nothing flashy about control. There is nothing loud about stability. Wealth is quiet. Wealth does not need validation. Wealth is not posted online. Wealth provides options. Eventually, money stops being about things. It becomes about freedom. It becomes about time. It becomes about choice. It becomes about legacy. Financial freedom means decisions are not driven by fear. Financial freedom means choosing work intentionally. Financial freedom means choosing where to live. Financial freedom means choosing time with family. Ask yourself honestly, what happens if income stops today? Would you panic or adapt? Would you borrow or breathe? Preparation determines response. The ultimate financial challenge is uncomfortable. It demands honesty. It demands responsibility. It demands patience. It demands consistency. Most people avoid this challenge. Avoidance feels easier short-term. Avoidance is costly long-term. Facing reality creates strength. Small habits create big results. $1 saved matters. One expense reduced matters. One habit changed matters. Financial freedom is not luck. Financial freedom is built intentionally. Financial freedom is a choice. The question remains, will you accept the challenge?